Hey, what's going on, guys? For this video, I just want to do an unboxing of this Airpl dehumidifier. I got it because it gets really humid in the summer times, so I wanted something to help me with that. So, again, just the unboxing for this video. I already cut the back of it, so you don't have to wait for me to do that. So, here's the manual it comes with. I'm just gonna spin it around here and lay that flap down, and then it comes with this styrofoam top insert there. Then it has styrofoam protection on the side, and then packed in the box with it is a drainage tube that you use to hook up somewhere on there that we'll see in a minute on the tank, so your condensation can drain out. And then you just slide this out. Of course, the back panel styrofoam. And the bottom styrofoam, and then wrapped in this plastic bag to keep it from getting scratched. And here's the power cord. Take that off. It's a 3-prong cord that comes with this 3-prong cap to keep your prongs from getting bent. The cord is a really nice heavy-duty cord, not one of the like the cheaper, small, thin ones that you have to worry about. So you'll see the back of the dehumidifier here is gray. The sides are gray, and this is the tank down here, and it comes with this blue tape that will peel off. And that's just to keep the tank, of course, from coming out during shipping. So I don't know if you can see, but there's just a quick look in and around the actual tank. And this here is the filter housing. So there's kind of a pre-filter vent there, and then your other cooling filters inside. And I'll spin it around so you can see it's actually a really nice, sleek looking system. It looks nice. It feels really nice. It's pretty heavy, but it's nice that it has this handle up here so you can pick it up. And then I'm not sure yet where this tube goes, but like I said, this one right here was just for a quick unboxing to show you. Again, I'll do a couple more videos after I get it all set up to show you the features, and then another one just to let you know how my experience is going with it so far and if I actually really like it as a product. So that's it for now, and I'll check back with you later.